My name is Matt Stagg. I'm the Chief Financial Officer for Splash Car Wash here in Little Rock, Arkansas. We've been in the business for 25 years. So we have 13 locations at this time and many more in development. We use Sonny's controls at 7 of our locations. We utilize pretty much, as far as I know, almost everything that you guys make. So one of the highlights of my every 4 to 6 weeks, so it's not a calendar month, but one of the highlights of my month is when I get the release email that says that an update is coming tonight. And I love opening the notes. It's like Christmas when you get to see what features either have been added or problems have been fixed. And so I love that about Sonny's, that you don't have to wait a long time to get little tweaks and improvements made. You get them very frequently, and it's pretty substantial stuff. And we liked the process so much that we kind of borrowed it internally, that we work on things and save them up and do a release once a month instead of pinging the stores or our managers every week with something new. And we borrowed some of the format and everything because we like the process and the way you guys implement change and the way you document everything thoroughly. The aftercare is something that I've been asking for a couple of years now, and finally we were able to beta test it. For a flex operation, that one of the key issues that we've always faced is not knowing what customers paid for when they exit the tunnel and they pull around to the area where we do the interior cleaning. We just either have to awkwardly ask, "What did you buy?" or not ask and just assume that they paid for the service. So the aftercare takes a picture of the car at the time of purchase, and it displays on the screen out front what that customer purchased. And so it allows us with confidence to know that this car purchased 2 detailing services. It can even tell us their name. And then it also allows us to know what order the purchases were made. If there's a lot of cars up there, we know who needs to be finished first, and just gives us a lot more confidence. And we actually found that we were able to identify people that were getting free services pretty quickly. And in one day we found 15 people that were trying to get an interior cleaning for free. And so yeah, it can increase revenue and make it easier to operate. Having had experience with 4 other point of sale systems over the years, I can honestly say that I would highly recommend Sonny's Controls as the way to go. The people are great to work with. They're honest. They're hardworking, and they're innovative. And then I feel like the solutions that they have come up with right now are better than the others. And the team that they have and where they're going is more aggressive, more out. They're thinking past what other people are thinking in the industry. And I love to be out in front of where it's going, not trying to catch up to where it is.